There are many ways that black magic or sihr can have been done to you, your family and friends in your life. Many times people don't realise anything has been done to them. They just don't think that anyone would be interested in them, or they believe because they're religious or spiritual that no one would do such a thing. But the reality is it goes on at many levels, and it's hard to spot sometimes exactly what's happening. My own experiences with my teacher Pandit Maharaj gave me those experiences. Tiredness, anxiousness, feeling listless, not knowing why anything's going right for me. I've just been through all the experiences and sensations that black magic can bring up. I was fortunate to have a teacher who would give me those experiences. When I say fortunate, they weren't nice. It was pretty an awful time for me. But having those things helps me understand and know what it's like when you have those things to you. So it can be hard to know whether these things have been done to you or not. But if you're thinking there might be something, there probably is. And I have the knowledge and experience with my colleagues to find out exactly what's been going on, how it was done, and what can be done about it. How can this work? Well, it's the spiritual work that I've been doing all my life, and with the blessings of my teacher, Pandit Maharaj, that I have the experience and knowledge and the power to be able to find out just what these problems are. There's several ways of looking at this. If you have a very small electric bulb in your house or your living room, it doesn't throw much light. But when you put a bigger light bulb in or more light bulbs in, suddenly you can see the same room and you can start seeing dirt and other things that you never noticed before. They're always there, but you couldn't see them. And it's the same way with getting help from me, is that you'll suddenly be able to see things that you hadn't seen before that were going on. And your memories will come back to you, and it's through dreams and insights you'll see what's actually been going on. And together we can work to solve the problems that you had in your life. Another way of looking at these things is that you're looking at the far horizon, you can see some kind of smudge or dot on the horizon that you don't even know what it is. And with me, and we can look into these things, it's like suddenly shining a powerful telescope, and suddenly that tiny smudge on the horizon, whatever that problem is, suddenly becomes magnified, and you can see clearer what it is that we're trying to find out and look at. And then we can, with that power and energy, instead of moving slowly, we can actually change direction, move around these things, or change them from the past to the future, and transform and release you from whatever problems that you have. Anything can be done in my experience. It's just a matter of finding the right person with that knowledge. I'm not here to frighten you. I'm here to help you. It's people who do fear on these things, doing things in completely the wrong way. There's nothing to be frightened about. This is your chance to be free of the problems that have been afflicting you, your family, your partners, and other people in your life. This is your chance to help them be free too of whatever problems have been afflicting them. And things can change very quickly. You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised how it's done. We can't say how we do these things because, one, the technique's a secret, and two, every situation is different. Until we look into things, we never know exactly what we're dealing with. But believe me, when we find out what the problem is, we can make those changes for you.